old clothes brown with stain and soaked right through with the Portland rain. He cast his eyes. He turned up his nose. He said, "You're a big man, I suppose." I said, "By God and this big right hand, I live and die a banana man." Up in the hills where the streams are cool, where mullet and janga swim in the pool, I've got 10 acres of mountainside and a dainty-foot donkey that I ride. 10 Gros Michel and 4 Lacatan, some coconut trees and some hills of yam. And I passed around that same very land 5 she goats and a big black ram. I said, "By God and this big right hand, I live and die a banana man." So home again in the cool evening time, perhaps whistling this little rhyme. By God and this big right hand, I live and die a banana. I'm a proud man and I'm free. Free of the mountains. Free as the hills. You know why I'm free? I'm free because of God Almighty. I'm free because of His Son Jesus. It doesn't matter what. It doesn't matter how. It doesn't matter where. It doesn't matter when. If we put our trust in God Almighty, then we are free, and we are free indeed.